Watch me shine, walking by faith one day at a time. That's social. Living with purpose, God's timing always working for us. From the highs to the lows, still the light in me glows. That's social. Can't you see, I'm becoming who I'm destined to be.
Hey homebodies, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. Welcome. We're currently doing a homebody series. We're learning to live in the moment and we're not waiting on perfect moments to take up our camera and document, okay? Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Currently, for this vlog, it is our eldest son's birthday this weekend. It is.
Don't drive, we're gonna shop for me, pick up some.
Where shop again? Out, go down. Think I can do that? Do you think I can do it? You're looking at me like you don't know if I can do it.
No, I'm hoping you can.
Do you think I can do it?
I believe you can do anything you put your mind to.
Okay, so what's the problem?
What's the problem?
You're looking at me like there is a problem.
I do have concerns, but...
What's your concern? I drove all the way, go home in the night. So what concern do we have now?
Come on.
That's crazy work, don't you think?
I just to come back, but at the community, I wanted to know, yes, remember, open to
go out that way and back out that way. It's a straight out. It's a straight out!
Come, you just guide it. No problem.
But I was right in the way to come out.
You never tell us you never right. But there's a concern, was just you finding it back.
Oh.
They're coming over with the problem. Slow down!
I wasn't even going fast.
Felt like it.
That's crazy work. I wasn't even going fast. I don't even know what fast is right now. I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. Our son's birthday is this weekend, which is Jamil. He is turning a whole of 6 and we are going out for the weekend. So I'll be taking you guys along for that. Today is Tuesday. I don't think I have anything to do during the rest of this week. No, I don't think I have anything else to do during this week. So I'll probably carry you guys throughout my week and then, you know, the weekend. But yeah, I'm just coming now to open the vlog. As I said, I'm still working. I wasn't lying, I'm still working. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I know the homebody series, where it's supposed to kind of really be like more like a inside the house type of thing, but we haven't been inside for the past couple weekends. To God be the glory for that. And we won't probably be inside for the rest of this month, and then August is coming. And if you don't know, my birthday is the 16th of August. My husband's birthday is the 11th of August. So you can understand that there may be some festivities going on, right? So we'll be outside. We will be on the road. We will be outside having some fun. Yeah, so I'll be carrying you guys along for that. I'm hoping that there's a surprise trip that I can take you guys on. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm hoping there is something that we can do. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish work. I will chat to you guys in the next portion of this vlog. Today is Thursday. It is now after 3. I'm heading through the door because my cousin and I have a movie date. So we are going to see Chiny K's new movie, Stuppies. So that's what we're up to today. You're not buy popcorn? Oh, you're not eat popcorn? Okay. Please take a medium popcorn and a hot dog.
Anything to drink?
A Tropicana.
We're about to watch the Stoopies. Yeah, and then we're looking for no honest review. You know?
Afterwards, yeah.
One of them people love Apple things.
So we are on intermission. So people still in here and we're kind of shy for talk.
She shy.
We the two are we shy, what about that? Right now me turn it on and I boost myself.
Right. No, just about that now. Guys, we buy food and the food done.
Done already. Food done.
Before intermission. But we came here to update you guys about the movie. It's a pretty good movie so far. But I just feel like Chineke too shy. No,
Too
shy.
soft.
Too like soft for a role. Like I feel like she could have done more for the role. But it's a pretty
A little bit more rough, a little bit more. But
it's a pretty good
I guess
movie
because
so far.
it's an uptown Jamaican, so there's a softer
I
side.
can say where them a mix the patois, guys.
Yeah.
Them not for do it, man. Them
Yeah.
not for do it.
Yeah.
Our one main character who talk patois. And what's her name again?
The Marcia.
Right, Marcia. Marcia is a good actress.
But I tell you from the ear it, I say, why the patois you sound so? It's so like a overseas patois.
But guys, it's a good movie.
Go
it's
see
a
it.
good watch.
Yeah, it's a good watch.
Go and see it.
Yeah.
Like, honestly.
Go watch it. Stupid. Mad. So far so good. So far so
guys, my
good.
face supposed to look swelling on the video.
Why?
Alright guys, so the movie.
Yeah. 9 out of 10.
Yeah, we're giving it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Honestly, when I want to work the vibes from you guys, but watch the show.
Watch the show. Watch the show. Stupid.
Watch the show.
9 out of
Stupid.
10. 9 out of 10.
Yeah, watch the show.
We recommend it.
But honestly, I feel like Chineke need to do better for that.
Yeah.
Skills.
Chineke, darling, if somebody happens to highlight this video to you, just yeah.
Work on the acting.
Just work on the
I
acting.
mean, you're going, you know.
No, you're gone.
You're going, but it could have been better.
Yeah.
Based on certain parts of the scenes,
Yeah.
right? But apart from that, guys, everybody else, guys,
Love the storyline.
guys, the storyline, the plot twist.
Yeah.
Look
Plot
out
twist.
for that.
Oh gosh.
Look out for the plot, guys. But apart from that,
Shell.
But but it was a cousin's.
Cousin Dale. Cousin
Yeah,
Snide.
and evening with her
You could
after work jam.
Yeah.
Yeah, after work jam.
Get the two away home from her.
Definitely. Yes, guys. So I don't know when I'll see you guys again.
Coming out see for my birthday later.
Probably my last year for birthday. Yeah. So bye, guys.
So we are ready and waiting. Sorry. So we're ready and waiting on Daddy. He went to go buy dog food. The boys are so ready. The boys have been talking about it all morning. Let me tell you something. You see, if you don't have kids, you see the moment you tell kids things, they will not forget about it until you either give it to them or until they reach where they're going, okay? Jamil's been like, oh, I want to go to hotel and beach. I want to go to hotel and beach, so we're going to an Airbnb. Who told you you're going to a hotel? Who told you you're going to a hotel? But it's alright. So yeah, I will call you guys back when we are on our way. Alright guys, as you can see, we have arrived at our destination. It is so cute and cozy. And as you guys see, she bought my baby a gift. Because when you're booking, she asks, what's your reason for staying? So, wow. This is so amazing. It's a bit and cozy. There's a light. Oh, I guess you can walk this way to go to the pool. Hey, be careful. Good morning guys, good morning. I look crazy right now. Literally face the wash, teeth and brush, nothing. I'm up trying to blow these balloons for January. Trying to blow these up. And Shein sent them with no straws. Absolutely no straws. So I don't know how I'm gonna blow them up. Everybody's still sleeping and I'm just gonna let them sleep. But I just wanted to come. So with everything, right, I was saying this morning, a number of things have been seem like it's going wrong, right? As you guys know, the theme is supposed to be yellow and white for SpongeBob, right? I was going to buy a SpongeBob shirt, but then I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy the SpongeBob shirt because we're gonna get the suit customized, right? Person said they can do the customization when we're reaching out to them. So I bought a yellow shirt. So instead of buying a SpongeBob shirt, I just bought like a regular yellow shirt. Bought a regular yellow shirt, white set. All right, cool. Reached out to the person. They said, all right, yeah, they can do it. They're gonna do it. All right. When we're supposed to give them the set now, can't hear from them. Nothing. All right, cool. The shirt came. When the shirt came, I bought it in a size 4. Jamil is right now a size 7. So I don't have a yellow shirt to put underneath his little suit. And as you guys know, I work from home and I can't find anywhere out here that will just have like a yellow shirt. We'll probably have to go to like a wholesale, and my husband is crazy busy, so he didn't get a chance to go to the wholesale to get me that. But we'll figure out the suit. We'll figure out how to, Then no. Yesterday, as I was telling you guys, hubby went to go buy dog food. I think he put the cake on the seat and forgot it. And then when he drove off, the cake fell on the floor and got messed up. And it would have been really cute because the top part had sand on it and, everything, but it got messed up, When he told me that, I chose peace. When he told me that, I chose to not be angry. I chose not to be upset. I chose to just say, babe, it's okay. It's okay. Not knowing what the cake had looked like at that time. Then this morning, I thought the balloons would have come with a pump. And because my husband came late yesterday, and he was just like, let's just go straight down. When he came, he was like, all right, let's just go straight down. I wanted to stop and, get some stuff. I wanted to bake cookies for today. I wanted to do a few things, but he was like, we'll do that when we get down. We got down and it was like after 7. So for the balloons, I can't blow the balloons because I don't have no straw. Then no, I discovered that his scooter is missing. I bought him a scooter. The scooter is missing. I don't know where the scooter is. So I'm gonna have to check the shipping company. I text the guys down at the shop to check for me. And then I'm also gonna have to reach out to the shipping company to find out if they still have it or if they've seen it. I'm gonna have to check the car to see if it's still probably in the car. I'm not even mad. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm disappointed. I'm not mad, I'm disappointed. But for the most part, I have peace. And this is something that I probably didn't even pray for, I'm receiving. The Lord is giving me a sense of peace, and I'm taking it. Because it's easy to choose to be angry and be mad all day. It's easy to choose that. But it's easier to just, okay, all right. It's okay. My son is inside sleeping. He's enjoying his rest. So I'm looking at the positive things, right? And I was talking to the Lord, and I told him I'm choosing to find the good in today because there's so many things that are good in today, right? I'm awake. I got to see the 25th of July. I got to know that today is my son's birthday and know that he is alive in the room. He's not dead, he's alive, and we get to celebrate this day. I prayed over the day, and I just gave the day to the Lord, the rest of the day to the Lord. But I'm choosing to find the good in today regardless of the negative things that are showing up. You hear it? No, the wind chime.
Again.
What you doing, baby?
Taking a picture while sing.
You taking a picture?
Hello. Hello, my.
Oh, it can turn on you?
Hello. Here, my name's Akiti, and welcome to the video. That is my hotel, and let's use tell. And tomorrow I will celebrate. This is same thing to back mama for the birthday. So
This way. This way, this way.
it's for me.
AJ?
Ashadi.
This way.
This way.
You see the pool?
Just the pool. Let's go. Wait, stop! Look at my dinosaur.
No, come on. We're gonna go back for the dinosaur. We're not staying long. This way.
Hey, what's in the pool? What? You ain't in the pool.
Is the pool clean? Wait, AJ, wait.
Mommy?
Wait. You wanna go in the water?
No.
No, don't go in there yet. Wait. This now looks so clean. Don't go in there, Jamie. Hey guys, so we were chilling, making breakfast and everything. Now it's afternoon time. Everybody is at the pool, and they look like they're enjoying themselves.
Mama!
Yeah, You couldn't let me frighten Daddy? Good. I'm coming. You couldn't let me frighten Daddy? Hi Daddy, how's the water? It's good? So they cleaned the pool earlier, guys. It looks a lot better because it did look really a hot mess. And go down.
Go up.
Afraid of jumping? You see how tall you are? You're fine. You're going out, John?
I found the car.
Wait, but AJ, relax. AJ, baby, relax. Mommy got you, okay? Listen.
Mommy, look.
Listen. Mommy will never hurt you, okay? Mommy will shout. Mommy will spank your bottom when you're rude. But Mommy will never hurt you, okay? So trust Mommy, okay? Mommy's gonna put you to lay down. Trust Mommy, okay? Trust Mommy, okay? I will never hurt you, okay? I will never let anyone hurt you, and I will never let anything hurt you, okay? Alright, lay down for me. Relax. Relax. Remember, trust Mommy. Is Mommy a good mommy? Mommy's a good mommy? So trust Mommy. Lay down. I can't see. I'm holding you. I'm holding you. Lay down.
Good job, Mama.
Thank you, Jamil. Okay, you don't want to float?
No.
Alright.
They were beating Tommy Long.
Woo!
He was only 10 years old. His daddy died at the time, 'cause he was my brother's son.
Green corn, potatoes, and spinach as well. Now do the veggie dance. Now do the veggie dance. Now do the veggie dance. Yum yum, eat 'em up. Yum yum, eat 'em up. Yum yum, eat 'em up. Eat 'em up. Eat 'em up. I love my veggies. I love my veggies. I love birthday.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Are you excited?
Yeah, SIX. 6. Where are you going?
AJ, we're going on the road. What's the problem?
Mommy, where's the tablet?
No, no tablet. We don't need it. Come here. Stand up right to yourself for me. Say cheese. Look at me. You see my son just fly there? Yeehaw!
Wait.
Have to hold on.
Hold on, AJ.
Hold on, AJ. Woo! 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 Whoa, AJ, hold on. Wait, Jamil. Hold on tight, Bobby. Go on back. Fix good. Hold it, baby, hold it. Woo! Hold on tight, AJ, hold on. Good ride, baby, good ride. High five. High five.
Come. Come.
Hold on tight, Jamil. Hold on. Go up more. Up. Hold on tight. Squeeze. Don't let go. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Tight. I just gave it to them. I think. Let's see him. Maya mash it up, babe. Maya mash it up.
Nothing scary, right?
Nothing scary. Hold on.
Nothing scary. Guys, you have to look around, okay?
AJ is looking.
Look all over. Let's not get
Look, Jamil, look.
See?
Have fun.
Jam, have fun. Leave it.
Look all over. Look all over.
Nothing to be scared about. Jamil. AJ, leave it. feel it in the floor. Wow. Look around, Jamie, look around. Yeah, turn your head. You see a dinosaur? Leave it. What are you seeing? What do you see?
I see the boat. It's the one right there.
You see the fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. So what is it? Right now, walking right there. You can see the bird, you see. What? Oh,
Look around, AJ, look around.
Looking around.
fish.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamil. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1?
No.
Are you 2?
Say no.
Are you 3?
Say no.
Are you 4? Are you 5?
No.
Are you 6?
Yeah!
Hip, hip,
Hooray!
Hip hip hooray! Blow out your candles. Blow, blow, blow.
Blow. Good job.
Good job, Papa.
Good job, Jamil. Happy birthday, my boy. Mwah. You're no longer 5. You're a big 6 now. Mwah.
Alright, come cut the cake. What? What you want to do?
Hey, let's put the name in glass.
Ready? Give me your next hand. AJ? AJ? Cut the cake with your brother. Let go this one, Jamie. Yeah, ready? 1,
2, 3.
Whoa,
Woo,
we cut this.
we cut SpongeBob.
Whoa, be careful, my dear. Be careful. Come kiss mama. AJ, be nice.
AJ, kiss mommy and come go to your bed.
Love you.
Bedtime, AJ.
Good morning. So today's Sunday. It's our last day at the Airbnb. And this is why I like, let me tell you, before we get into that, if you're having a husband or a wife that is a business owner, it is not as easy as you think it is, because we had intention to leave Kingston Friday from 12 because check-in was 2 o'clock. And my husband didn't reach home until 6, right? Because he is the main person in our business. So it's not easy. But yeah, this is why I like to reach down to like these places early, because you get to have some time to yourself, you get to view the property and everything and stuff like that. But we didn't get a chance to do that, and yesterday we kind of slept in a little bit, or I let them sleep in a little bit because, you know, they're tired. It's Jam's birthday, Daddy's been working, so I let them sleep. Today we were supposed to leave at 11 o'clock this morning, but we asked for an extended time, which she graced us with, and listen, appreciate it so much. And I woke up like after 10. Listen, we're gonna have to buy an AC, because the only time these boys sleep was when the AC was on. AJ slept until 11 o'clock this morning. Jamil slept until 10 this morning. These boys do not, let me tell you, as when it's weekend, these boys wake up 7 o'clock in the morning. Jamil wake up 7 o'clock in the morning. So I said to my husband, listen, we need an AC. We need an AC. Because if this is the only way these kids get to sleep, we need an AC. What toy? Not yet, AJ, wait. Okay? Guys, don't mind the madness of the hair. As you know, we're just coming from the beach, so the wind did its thing. So the beach is a walking distance from the Airbnb. It's actually like a complex of Airbnbs or homes or whatever. And the beach, you don't have to pay for the beach. It's only accessible to those who are, I guess, in this local community. Yeah, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. The beach is nice and pretty and clean. This Airbnb is Old Fort Bay, so you can look on Airbnb and look for Old Fort Bay, and yeah, book your Airbnb. Tell Natalie Chevelle sent you, okay? So we just wanted to thank you for.
Wow, you made it?
It was
Oh,
a
you
cake
bought
that
it.
we got
bought
for his birthday. So we just wanted to thank you for your kindness, and we really do appreciate it. We really do appreciate it. We really do appreciate it.
Wow. It's a pleasure. Okay, come again.
All right, we definitely will. You'll be seeing us
You've been
again.
here before? This
No, this is the
No,
first
first
time.
time.
First
It's
time.
the best beach, really.
Yeah, we love the
Beautiful.
beach. Love the beach.
This is the best beach here, really. In
Yeah.
the North Coast. I think.
Yeah, we love
It's
it.
clean,
I
it's
mean,
pretty.
which you can to get
Yeah.
from them.
Yeah. So
We
we
love
will
it.
definitely be coming back, and I'll probably book you through WhatsApp, or you prefer?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. All right,
Yeah,
no
we'll just book it
problem.
through WhatsApp next time. 'Cause
Alright, no problem.
it's a hidden gem, definitely.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You living in Kingston?
In
Yeah.
Kingston, yeah. Yeah. So that's where we're heading right now. We don't want to go up, we want to reach up before night.
So you found restaurant this night when you asked?
No, we cooked.
Yeah, we cooked and just buy pizza.
Yeah.
I just got pizza.
Yeah.
You decided not to go in?
No.
Yeah. The hassle and the bustle, just want.
That's so chef. Purpose of oppression.